Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Okay po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here? Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Healthy.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay? Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Second, ano ma'am?
Second time. Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I want to experience to another country.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Miriam. I'm 38 years old. I live in Kalampang, Sindang, Cavite. I have 3 kids. I'm I'm married and I worked before in Kuwait 2 years and 6 months. How how to take care of the baby?
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? When is your birthday?
October 20, 1986.
What is your height and your weight?
Height and weight.
Yes, what is
My
your height
weight
and your
is
weight?
wait, wait, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'1" and weight 50.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High high school grad.
High school graduate. You mentioned that you are married, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband age 50 and
Okay.
he's farmer.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got kids also, right? According to your profile, you have three children also, which is 16, 15, and 12, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister, ma'am.
Okay, your sister. How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
40. She's vendor.
Your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem later.
No problem.
According to you, you or in your profile also it was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2022 to 2025. You worked for 2 years and 6 months, correct?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
what is your job responsibility to your previous employer here in Kuwait? You do what? I cannot hear
And
you. What is it again?
clean the house.
You clean the house? Did you cook there? Did you
No,
cook?
ma'am.
Okay, did you do laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby that you take care?
6 and 7 years old.
So there is no baby inside the house. It's children already. Two only, is it? 6 years
Yes,
old and
ma'am.
7 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and not continue working with this employer? What
What, ma'am?
happened? Why you go back home in the Philippines? Why you didn't continue working with your employer in Kuwait?
Because, ma'am, she not give me a monthly salary.
Oh, so the employer hold your salary, is it? Your monthly salary was held by your employer, is it? That's why you decided to go back home.
Yes.
Okay, but I would like to let you know that Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different. Employers here is very particular of cleanliness and houses here is quite big, so you need to get ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I try if have a hold that.
It's okay, ate, you learn how to learn some new recipes also, right?
Ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing, okay? Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during night time only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. But if you agree, it's okay. You can come, work properly. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness? Like for example, if you miss your family.
Only I message only and I call if me have a rest day.
Okay, you call your family if you have rest day. On your rest day also.
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Marianne. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Mhm.